In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on your Hostinger account. Whether you've changed your mind about a subscription or encountered an issue, knowing how to navigate the refund process efficiently is invaluable. Let's go through this step by step to make sure you feel confident in managing your account. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Hostinger account. For that, head over to the Hostinger website and click the Login button usually found at the top right corner. Enter your account credentials carefully to avoid any mishaps. If you're having trouble logging in, ensure that your credentials are correct and use the Forgot Password feature if needed to quickly resolve any access issues. Upon successfully logging in, direct your attention to the dashboard's navigation panel. Here, you'll find various options related to your account management. Locate and click on Billing, which provides you with a detailed overview of all your financial transactions and billing preferences related to Hostinger. Once inside the billing section, you'll notice a payments option. Clicking on Payments will take you to a section detailing all your subscriptions, including any pending, ongoing, or previous transactions. This is where you can easily track your payments and manage them as necessary. Scroll through your list of subscriptions until you find the one you wish to refund. Take a moment to ensure that you're selecting the correct subscription, especially if you have multiples. Accurately selecting the subscription is crucial, as proceeding with the wrong one could inadvertently affect your services. With the correct subscription identified, you're ready to proceed. You'll see the option labeled Request Refund. Clicking on this will initiate the refund process. Hostinger has streamlined this interface to make it as uncomplicated as possible. Now, the prompts are straightforward. Follow each prompt as it appears on your screen. These may vary slightly depending on your geographical location or the particular product you're requesting a refund for. Don't rush through these steps, as reading them carefully ensures that you provide Hostinger with the correct information, facilitating a quicker refund process. Lastly, after you've completed all necessary prompts, you'll need to wait for confirmation from Hostinger. This confirmation can arrive via email, so make sure you're checking your inbox periodically. Patience is key here, as refund processes can vary slightly in time based on different factors, such as payment methods and bank processing times. Rest assured, Hostinger provides efficient support should you need any assistance during or after the process. By following these steps, you should have no trouble requesting a refund on Hostinger. Remember, managing your subscriptions and understanding your options empowers you as a user to make informed decisions about your purchases. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you navigate your refund request smoothly.